the air, humming softly to the leaving. I see a flame inside me, shining on the speeds of mine. My soul was weakening. I found you. My world's now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and there's where I wanna be forever. I used to have low self-esteem, thoughts stung like bullets in the breeze. But someone touching my strings and sang a song I've never heard, something so sweet. I found you. My world is now complete. I thought it was impossible.